for me today? Hi, Shona. Can you read the statement for me? Go ahead. Decompose. Whole. Number. Greater than 1. Using whole number equivalence with various models. Yes, who can read it all together for me? Try nice and loud.
I can.
Decompose.
Whole number fractions.
Greater. Equivalence. Various. Yes, I can decompose whole number fractions greater than 1 using whole number equivalence with various models. What does equivalence mean? Evan, what does equivalence mean?
It means the same answer as something else.
Yeah, the same as something else, okay? So if two fractions are equivalent, what does that mean? Evan?
Is that they have the same answer? Like,
Yeah.
Like 2.
Oh, give me an example.
Like 2 plus 2 equals 4, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And 3 plus 1.
Yes, 2 plus 2 and 3 plus 1, they are equivalent, okay? So, let's go over some questions to think about. What does partition mean? Autumn, what does partition mean?
Partition?
Yeah?
Take a minute.
Okay. She asked for a minute.
Partition means to split things up. So if you had one whole, if you put 5 lines in there, you'll have 6. If you put 5 lines in there, you'll have 6.
Yeah, so partition means to split up into different pieces, okay? Come here, I can hear you. How do we say fractions that are partitioned into 2 equal parts? So if I have a pizza and I split it into 2 equal parts, what's that fraction? Renaya? Halves, right? If I have a pizza and I cut it down the middle, I have 1/2 pizza and another half pizza, right? Would you agree? Pete, Mom? Would you agree? Yes. So, this one's a little harder. What is the doubling trick? The hint is that we use it when finding equivalent fractions. Sarai, what is the doubling trick? Can you give me an example of the doubling trick? Nice and loud. Well, yes. How do we use that with fractions? So if I have the fraction, so if I have 1/4 as our fraction, what's an equivalent fraction to 1/4? Anybody? Yes, sir, I can.
Mr. Brown
Stop speaking, please.
Only just the way people, you want to bring them to me because people keep kicking around.
One more time, Sarai. Can you turn around and tell me? I can't hear you when you turn around. What's an equivalent fraction to 1/4? So double 1. Nope, double 1. 2. do you see how we have the same line here and the same line here, and it's the same amount of red, okay? It's just partitioned into 4 instead of into 2. So 1/2 equals 2/4. Let's try another one.
I'm not doing it.
What is this fraction here? All right. 1/3. Push it. On, I'm pushing. What is this fraction? This one, there should be a line right here. So that's 1, 2 pieces, right? Over how many total?
6.
Yeah.
But I feel like I wouldn't be right because, but I think it would be, I think it should go out.
Oh, don't press your finger, just. Yeah, there's supposed to be a line right here to show that it's 2 pieces. So it's 1/3 equals 2/6. You see how that works? Yeah. Hi, Sean, what's this fraction right here? How many purple squares do you see?
1/4.
Yes, 1/4. What does 1/4 equal? Denim. Oh, count them all again. 2/8, yes. 1/4 equals 2/8. You see how we doubled that? Look. Everyone should have their eyes on the board. Thank you, Evan, for changing it. Guy, on the board. What is double 1? Renaya?
2.
2. Do you see how that is a double? 1, 2. What's double 4, Amina? 8. See that? I want this one. What's this fraction? Evan? 1/5. What's this fraction? Oh, raise your hand. Aiden, do you know this fraction here? Count the green. 2, and let's count everything. 1,
2,
I'm talking to Aiden. 5, 6. So it's how many green? No, how many green? And how many everything? Yeah, 2 tenths. 2 tenths. 1/5 equals 2 tenths. Okay? Now, Mia. Oh my goodness. Can you pass these out for me, please? Everybody gets 1. What do you think the first thing you're writing on your index card is going to be? What do you think the first thing you write on your index card will be? Your name. Please do that now. Amina, please sit. She's coming with them. Quickly,
Can I get one?
she's on the way. She's on the way. Yeah, she said it in 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. You gotta wait. We're in the middle of math. You want to show me now?
Yes, I got 2.
No,
Just 1.
that's why I didn't do it.
All right. Everyone's eyes should be on the board. Sophia, turn around.
Oh, I know how to do it.
Everyone's eyes should be on the board. Mia said,
I said worry.
turn around and face the board.
I know how to help you.
Stop speaking while I'm speaking. It is rude. If you are making eye contact with me right now, you're not facing the right way. to work by yourselves. The application problem says, Antonio works on his project for 4/3 hours. His mom tells him that he must spend another 2/3 of an hour on it. On the blank side of your index card, draw a number bond to show how long Antonio needs to work altogether. On the line side of your index card, write the amount of time Antonio needs to work altogether as a whole number. I will give you the choice. Listen, for number 1, you can choose a number bond or you can choose a number line. Okay? So, on the side with no lines, find it. Find the side with no lines. Are we all on it? I want you to draw either a number bond or a number line, Taishana, that shows how much time draw a number bond or a number line to show how long Antonio needs to work all together. On the side with the lines, I want you to write the amount of time Antonio needs to work all together as a whole number. So, on the blank side, number line. On the line side, I want words. Do we understand? Are you working with yourself or with a partner?
By yourself.
By yourself. Independent. Should I hear speaking during this time?
No.
Oh, I didn't hear anyone except for Mina. Should I be speaking during this time, Jenna?
No.
No. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this, Evan. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this by yourself. The blank side should have a number line. The line side should have a sentence. Thank you, Mia, for getting started. Start with your blank side.
No, I already did my blank side.
Take a look at it again.
I already
Take a look at it again. Okay, so we're not following directions. You flip flop. So on this side, you're gonna have to write a sentence. Yep. You would have had lines, but you weren't listening. Thank you, Amina. I am not helping you with this. I want to see what you know. Get to work, Sarai. Get to work, Giselle. Go rinse it. Good, keep on. Try your very best. No, the other one has to do. The other one. Finish on our post. Good, Bashaya. Yes, Amina. Yes. Hold on. It's in here somewhere. Get to work, Sarai. Try your very best. We're going to go over it together. It's autumn. It might be better if you show your work. You think a number line might help you a bit more? Write down the number line.
Wait, can I
You don't have to erase it. You can keep it there. So maybe you start with 0. And after that, what did the problem say? What are we counting up by? Not 3s.
Third.
Yes. I'll be right back. Let me see what you got. Write your name on it, please. So you should draw a number line. If you need to read the problem again, that's okay. If you're all done, make sure your name is on it. I did. It's on your index card. You don't have to get one. Mia, did you get pressure on that index card?
I saw her do.
Here. And I'll get the other one. Good. Let's see what we got going on. Evan, please hold on a minute. Or Aiden, sorry. I want a number line counting up by thirds. You know how to draw a number line? Yeah. Count by thirds. So this is 1, 2, 3. I need 1/3, 2/3. On the side with no lines. Good, Renaya. We're going over it in 30 seconds. If you're confused, just hold tight. Be careful. Okay, well, we're gonna go over it. You can get one eraser.
I'm looking for my brother. It's big.
Evan, pick your head up, please. Give me a second. It's fine. I cut and edit those things anyway.
Sophia, push in now.
Oh, we're going over it right now.
I have nothing on my paper, so I'm taking my seconds. Because I need help. It's really pain.
I'm not here. So then you need to raise your hand and wiggle it, okay? That's what you gotta do. Go. I'm not here.
Okay. I'm pulling up the document camera.
Miss Smith, I think some friends aren't listening to you when you said pick your head up.
Yeah, but it's going to.
I'm not here. Go.
Let me say it again. Your arms should not be touching your head.
Try to reset. Take a breath and
Leadership
reset.
your
Go.
hands.
Take a breath and reset. Go.
Don't give me that face. Let go of your head. Both hands on the table. Okay. So the key blank side. What was it that I said I wanted on the blank side of your index card, Evan? A number line. Or a number line. So for me, I'm going to make a number line right here. And I'm starting with what number do we think? What number do we think we're starting with, Autumn? 10 more seconds and that's it. We're in math.
You did something?
Yes, Evan. Nope, we're starting with 0. So, I'm going to draw a line right about here with the number 1. Then I'm going to draw a number 2. And then at the very end, I'm putting a 3. What goes in between the 0 and the 1? What increment, what number are we counting up by, Autumn?
Can I show them what I did?
Tell me first.
So what I did was I did a 2 at the top, and then I did for 2 hours, and then I did a 4 and a 2.
Oh, I see. But talk about your number line. What are you counting up by your number line?
I counted up by 3, so I
Not 3.
No, third.
Third. There
So
you go.
I did 1. So I did 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. No, 3/3 at the 1, and then I did 4/3, 5/3, and then 6/3.
Yeah. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Why do I have 0? I'll show you in a second. Why do we have 3/3 next to 1? Evan, why do I have 3/3 next to 1? Would you say they're equivalent? Yeah. All right. So our application problem said 4/3 hours. 4/3 hours. Yeah, one more. It's going to go here. 4/3. So this is where Antonio worked until, right? Would you agree? 4/3? Hold on, I have to understand these friends. Let him take a seat, please. Sophia, take a seat, please. Would you agree that this dot is where we ended up for 4/3 hours? Thank you, Amina. She's paying attention. Thank you, Autumn. Next, the application problem says, his mom tells him that he must spend another 2/3 of an hour on it. So I jump from here, 2/3, here's another third, and here's another third, right? Oops. Here's another third, 5/3, and here is 6/3, right? What number have we stopped at? Evan.
6/3.
Yeah, what number though? Right here.
2.
2. So on my line side, I would have said it takes Antonio how many hours, Evan?
6/3.
What does 6/3 equal?
6/3 equals 2.
Yeah, so 2 hours. To work on his project. That's it. That is all. So tomorrow when we do index cards again, the blank side is going to have some work and the line side is going to have some numbers. I don't know how you do that.
I didn't get to do it because
That's okay. You don't worry about it. That's all right. I know you were dealing with something. So, right now it's not about getting the right answer down, okay? It's about understanding it. So what I want is my friend Amina. Please collect everybody's index cards.
except for Sophia because she's still
be patient, guys. Give it to me when you're all done.
Who didn't I collect?
Up against your eyes. Thank you. Please have a seat. I appreciate it. Okay. Here's what we're looking at. I'm not giving you any more index cards. I'm just showing you. I want to take a look at what I drew here. What's something you noticed about what I drew? There are many observations that can be made. Let's look in the middle first. In the middle. Aiden, please sit up. What's something you can tell me about the middle, Aiden? How many halves do you see? 2. What does 2 halves equal? Amina, you're actually on the board. What do 2 halves equal, Sarai?
It equals
Not 1/4. No, Mia? Maisala, what? Yeah, 2 halves equals 1 whole. Okay? What do you notice about the outside that I've drawn? What fraction do you see on the outside, Amina? 1/4. Lashaya, Evan, Autumn, pick your head up, please. Your hands should not be touching your head. At all, Shai. Your hands should not be touching your head. That's better, Autumn. I know it's a little hard, but we gotta learn to do it. Aiden, turn around, please. Look at my drawing. I made it just for you. Yeah, I did. What do you notice on the outside? On the outside. Aiden said he sees 2 halves in the middle. What do we see on the outside, Evan?
on the outside, 1/4.
Yeah, how many fourths do you see?
4/4.
4 fourths. What does 4 fourths equal? Evan? No. 4 fourths. When the numerator and the denominator are the same number, what does that mean?
What's wrong?
Evan, I'm talking to you. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, what does that mean? Huh? 1. So 4 fourths equals
1.
sit up, dear. Evan, I'm asking, what do those 4 fourths equal? Yes, 4 fourths equals 1. So would you agree the inside and the outside match each other? Give me yes or no. Yes. Okay. What if I didn't have anything on the outside, right? And I only had the inside. What's another fraction I could put on the outside? That would also equal the inside. Mia? 1/5. How many fifths do I need? 5. Yeah. 5 fifths would equal the inside. What else could equal the inside, Renaya? 3 1/3. Yes, that would equal the inside. Denim. What else could equal the inside? 4 fourths? Yeah, that equals the inside. One more person. Autumn, what would equal the inside?
12
12 12s. I see what you're working with. Let me challenge you. Can I challenge you?
Yes, of course.
Let me see. I'm flipping this over. What did I do here?
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, raise your hand if you want to say something. Before you try and answer, tell me something you notice. What do you notice, Aiden?
You added another 2.
I added some more halves, yes. Kevon, what's something you noticed about my drawing?
Instead of a regular number line, you put a circle in the middle and 4 lines with 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4.
Yes. So this is not really, oh, no thank you. That's better. Instead of a regular number bond, I've got some fractions, right? Multiple fractions in my number bond. So Aiden told me last time that 2 halves equals a whole. What if I have 4 halves? What does that equal, Mia? 2. So we know the inside is 2. What about the outside? Does the outside look the same or different as it did before, Autumn?
It looks the same, but if you added 4, if you added more lines with if you added more lines straight, it'll be equal. So you would have to do double the number. Like if you wanted to do 6, if you did 6s, you would have to add another 6 to make it 12 6s, and then after that it will be the inside.
So Autumn is saying, I'm getting a pencil.
Oh, you can use mine.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Autumn is saying that in order for my inside to equal my outside, the outside has to be double the inside. That sounds really confusing, so let's break it down together. Someone remind me, what does the inside equal? Raise your hand, Amina.
The inside equals
2. Yes, just 2. So the inside equals 2. That means 2 also equals 2/4. Oh, just kidding. The other way around. Somewhere in pouchy, I have an eraser. 4/2. Because what's 4 divided by 2? Someone tell me what's 4 divided by 2? Renaya? 2. That's why I have a 2 here. So what, Autumn, remind me what you said. You said 12 6s can go on the outside?
If you use 6s,
yeah. So we'll say 2 equals 12 6s. We are not writing anything. We're just looking at what Miss Smith's writing. So 2 can also equal, how many 4ths? How many 4ths would be better? Aiden, please move to your desk. All the way, friend. Sarai, pick your head up. Autumn.
Huh?
Will you raise your hand? You want to answer?
Yeah, I was raising my hand, so I wanted to ask a question.
What can 2 equal? So we said 12 6. What else?
2 can also equal.
What I said, how many 4ths?
8 4.
Yes, 8 4ths. This could go on for a while. What else can 2 equal? Another one. I know you know, Autumn. I want to hear from someone else. Renaya. Yes. 2 can equal 6/3. What if I want tenths? Amina, how many tenths equals 2?
5.
Not 5. What's 2 times 10?
2 times 10 equals 20.
Yes. So I would have 20 tenths to equal 2. Would you agree? Mm-hmm. So here's what I want to do. I want us to take out our problem set. Some of us are already there. I want us to turn to lesson 26. Lesson 26. Can I borrow yours for a second?
Of course.
Stay in your seat.
No, I'm just having a question.
Everyone should be on lesson 26. If you're there, say I'm there.
I'm there.
Just one time. Thank you. Lesson 26. your problem set. 26.
Can you give me an eraser?
Thank you, Shai. Thank you, Renaya. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Brandon. We're on 26. So this is the wrong one. You're on this one. Open to 26. This is 25. Open to 26. There. Oh, this is your, wait. This is your exit ticket. Sorry. Alright, don't stare at the projector. That might help you. Nope, that's 25. Thank you. Evan, lesson 26. You weren't listening. No, we're on our problem set right now. Thank you, Sophia. So, I'm doing the first one, maybe two with you because they've been a little tricky lately. Let's see who's tracking the board. Thank you so much, Brandon. Who else is tracking? Thank you, Shai. Thank you, Sophia. Tracking the board. Thank you, Autumn. Number 1 says, partition the number line to show the fractional units. Then draw number bonds using copies of one whole for the circled whole numbers. So here we have a number line that has 0, 1, and 2. Get up. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. Let's see. 0. How many halves are in 0? Raise your hand. I'm going to sit up. Your hand should not be touching your head or your neck. How many halves are in 0, Renaya? Yeah, 0 halves. So right here I'm putting 0. Right here I'm putting 0. So now I need to draw a number bond. Just leave it at your seat in the middle. Now I'm making a number bond. What is going in the middle of my number bond, Amina? This one has 2. This one has 1. So this one's going to be, yeah, 0. Oops, I smoothed it back. 0. That's what your number bond should look like. Literally, that's it. It kind of looks like an egg. So where do I put the fraction 1/2? Autumn, where's the fraction 1/2 going to go on my number line?
Put it at the bottom. You make a line and then you put it at the bottom.
Well, here's my number line. Is it going to go here? 1/2?
No.
Is it going to go here?
No.
Where's it going? Here?
Yeah, but wait.
Look, this would be 0 over 2. This would be 2 over 2. Yes. Awesome. 1/2 goes right there. How many halves are in one whole? Someone answer. Autumn, you are on fire, but I want to hear from someone else. Giselle, how many halves are in one whole? Not 0. If I take a pizza and I cut it in half, how many pieces do I have?
2.
Yes, 2. So 1 equals 2 halves. So your paper should match mine exactly. Thank you, Sophia, for getting on that. Thank you, Brandon. I see you. Thank you, Denim. All right, here's my number bond. It's not complete. What do I have to add to my number bond? Here is my number bond. Wake up. What am I putting here to add to my number bond? Sophia.
1/2.
Yes. Yes. Here. 1/2. What else? What else? Renaya.
Another 1/2.
Another 1/2 because 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. Okay? I want you to do 2 by yourself. No. We have a lot of time left. Lesson 26 has a, I'm sorry, I was just checking something. Aiden, I'm going to put it back. Give me a second. Lesson 26 has a front and a back problem set. So you should be answering your front and your back. If you need help, you raise your hand. Please get to work. Thank you, Amina. Aiden, can I move this paper now? This one, can I move it? Okay. Yes, Evan. Inside 2 is 1/2. First of all, you're missing this here. How many halves are in 1? Yes, so our 2 should be running good. 1 second, please. You think this is right? 1. But it's asking for 2. How many halves are in 2? Yeah. No, 2 halves is 1 whole. See? 2 halves, 1. 1 second, please. Thank you for raising your hand. Oh, it's done freezing right here. 4 halves is 2. That is 4. Draw your number on. Here.
Work on this.
This number is different.
Gotta do the branches.
You should get 2. Because this is, you see, remember the numerator over the denominator is 1, right? So the numerator of the denominator is both the same as 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah. So,
Up high.
this is 1 whole and this is 1/2. So, here, can you mark something right here for me? Right here. This is 2 over 2. So what do you think is going here?
2.
Nope. 3 over.
Over 3.
Nope, not 3.
2.
Yes, 2. I'm on the way. Try this one now by yourself. I'll be right back. Amina, thank you for waiting patiently. I'm coming. We're breaking this into thirds. So our number line is starting at 2. So 2 equals how many thirds? Remember our doubling trick? Not 3. Don't guess. This is 6. Right? The 6 thirds is this. See? What's 2 times 3? 6. How about this one? 3 thirds. Oh, sorry, 3 equals blank thirds. So you're gonna have something that looks like this. You have to figure out what this top number is. See? Like that. So this is going up by a certain number. So this is, look, 0. 0, 2, 4. So this is 6. What do you think this is? 8, and I'm coming. 9. 9, so 9 goes here. What do you think goes here? This one up by 3. Look at the jump. Remember when we do our jumps in power review? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you make your number lines for me? Same the same way you made these. Make these for me. I'll be right back. If you're all done, you can move to your exit ticket. Your desk, friend. Zero equals 0, right? So I have no pizza I cut in half. No, try it by yourself.
No, I would like the actual part, but I just didn't know what these little tiny boxes are for.
Okay, so 4 things. 4 your bunches.
So I cut one pizza in half,
Would do
and then I cut another pizza.
a wire,
I got 4.
a meter of
3, 4. So 4
wire.
Do what you think. Do what you think.
So our number box. This is not 2. This is 1 half. Here is also 1 half. Because would you say 1 half plus 1 half equals a whole? Right? That's why we have a 1 here. So here we have 2 halves. Remember when the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, are the same? That means 1 1, right? Yeah, this is 1 whole. So if we repeat it again, that's also 1 whole, right? And 1 plus 1 is what? 2. That's why we have a 2 right there. So let's look at this one. We're breaking this number line up into thirds. This says 2 equals blank thirds. What if I had 2 pieces? I'm gonna draw you 2 pieces right here. Look at my drawing. I got 2 pieces. How many thirds do I have? 1. I want to hear you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think goes here? 6. I want you to make 3 pieces right here.
enough. Count in your head.
Can you see this now? You're fine. You're fine. I just want to move it so it doesn't
I'm
fall.
having a good day.
You're having an okay day so far.
A good day. I want to have a good day.
Okay. Can you keep your mouth closer here?
I want you to make 4 pieces right here. I'll come right back for you.
Good integrity.
Amina, thank you so much for waiting patiently. Draw a number line. What's your number line? Says the first thing says draw a number line to represent 1. You gotta have something like this. Maybe not with the same numbers. Sammy uses 1/4 meter of wire each day to make things. So let me see what you have. This is a whole number and this is something less than 1. So right now we can't really add those together. So that's not fun, right? So I want you to erase this and I want you to make your number line first. Okay? If you're done with your problem set, you move to your exit ticket. If they're both done, raise your hand for me. This says 2 equals blank thirds. So this number is important. I have 2 pieces. And I put them each into thirds. How many pieces do I have? Yeah, so 6 was not one. If I have 3 pieces, each are
The first one has been done.
No. Line lesson 26, man. Come on. See? A few more minutes, then we're wrapping it up, guys. Not yet. Here. If I have 2 pizzas, right? Here's my pizza. Here's my pizza. Then he told me to break it up into thirds. Here's my thirds. How many pieces of pizza do we have? Yes, not 3, but 6.
0, 1, 2. And then.
Answer the top ones first. You might have to draw 3 pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect.
My pencil wet because the water's.
No, it should have 3 pieces in each pizza. No, you have 4. I have 3. Count those pieces. Line goes right there. Try that one, 4 pieces by yourself. All right. Please move on to your exit ticket if you haven't already. You want your exit ticket for me? Yes. I don't want to help you for your exit ticket. This is all by yourself. Yes, Aiden, give me 1 second. Draw a number line to represent the total length of Irene's fabric. Irene has 2 yards of fabric. Exit ticket, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Renaya. Thank you, Shai. Give me 1 second. Irene cuts her fabric into pieces of 1/5 yard in length to partition the number line to show the cuts. You make a number line. Into 1/5 cuts. Yes. 1/5. Good, keep going. Yes, Ashaya. What's up? This is the exit ticket, so I cannot show you how. I want you to try with what you know. Read the question and try your best.
Days.
Almost done. Thank you. Can you put this in your screen for me? Good job. Okay. Put this in your folder, please. No. The equivalent of yards should not fool you, okay? You got 1 yard, 2 yards, 3 yards, okay? So here's 2 yards of fabric, let's just say. She cuts each fabric into 1/5 yard in length. You published it online, so that's good. How many 1/5 yard pieces does she cut all together? If you're all done, raise your hand. I know, but we need to do this one first. I'm only giving you 3 more minutes, guys. Then we're moving on. Try your best.
Just wipe the floor off and wash your hands.
Okay. So how many 1/5 yard pieces did she cut all together to make 2? You think so? You all done? I know, you have so many papers. Evan, you can do it. It's okay. You didn't try. Nope, this is our extra ticket so we gotta do it by ourselves. If it's frustrating, then it's frustrating. Okay, and you're allowed to feel this way. But crying is not going to change anything. So I want you to take your hand and dry your face.
So 3/10.
And take a deep breath and try your exit ticket one more time. Just try it one more time. And then you can put it away. You've got A halfway done. Try B. Read B for me. Yes. So cut up your number line into fifths. That's what it's asking you to do. Thanks for your stickers on the first. Here you go. Label it for me so we know what those pick means.